In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own custom emoji on Windows. Have you ever thought about how you can create a custom emoji? Well, in this video, I will be taking you through how you can create your own custom emoji. To begin, open Microsoft Store. In the search field, type Moji Maker. From the search results, click on Moji Maker. Now, click on Install, and wait for Moji Maker to be downloaded and installed on your computer. Moji Maker is the application that we will be using to create our very own custom emojis without any stress. After the installation is complete, close Microsoft Store. Now, click on the Start menu and search for Moji Maker. From the search results, click on Moji Maker, and wait for it to load. After Moji Maker have been loaded, you will see two buttons. Create New button, and 2D 3D button. The Create New option is used to create a new standard emoji. To create a male or female 2D or 3D emoji, then you will have to use the 2D 3D option. But no need to worry, we will be taking a look at both options in this video. To begin, we will first be creating a new standard emoji. To create a new standard emoji, click on Create New. After clicking on the Create New button, an emoji editor window will open. Here, you will get various icons in different categories, including face, nose, mouth, eyebrows, and many more. You can use these varieties of icons to design your own custom emoji. Select any of these categories, and you will see a lot of related icons under them. Click on the icon that you will like to add to your emoji. After adding an icon to your emoji, you can adjust the size, rotate, and if you don't like it in the preview, you can always delete and select another icon. Also, you can add multiple icons from different categories to create your custom emoji. Now, take some time to design your emoji. For this part, I will fast forward the video. After designing your custom emoji, click on the Save button. This will open a pop-up asking you to select the size of your emoji. Over here, you will see a lot of different standard size presets you can use to save your emoji. Select your preferred size, and click on the OK button. For the purpose of this video, I will select Original. After selecting the size of your emoji, click on OK. After clicking on the OK button, this will open up the Save dialog box. Select the location you will like to save your emoji to. After selecting your preferred file location, type the name you will like to give to your emoji, and click on Save. After clicking on Save, your custom emoji will be saved as a PNG file to the location you have specified. You can also click on the Share button to share your emoji to various platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Skype, etc. Make sure to tag us and let us know what you have created. Now, let's create a 2D 3D emoji. Click on the 2D 3D button. Select whether you want to create a 2D or a 3D emoji. Feel free to select any one of your choice. Now, select either a boy or a girl. After you are done, click on Start. Similar to standard emoji, an emoji editor window will open, and you will see various icons in different categories. Select your preferred category in order to view the icons in that section. Go through each icon and design your very own custom emoji. After you are done designing your emoji, click on the Save button to save your emoji. Select the size and click on OK. Select the location of the file and type the name you want to give to your emoji and click on Save. In just a few steps, you should now be able to create your custom emojis easily. Don't forget to share your creations and tag us on any social media platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video. Thank you.